Hi guys, it's Piotr from Bokeh Photos, and today we'll learn how to use blend ranges in Affinity Photo to remove sky and add some planes. Let's go! Okay guys, so let's go. First we need our bombers. Let's check it out on stock. We just type in bomber on Unsplash and find our photo. Okay, we got our planes. Let's put it... Yeah, thanks Lawrence. Let's put it inside and find a place for those. Okay, great. Now we would like to remove pretty much the sky. Let's use blend ranges and remove the blue color pretty much. It should leave us only the planes. Let's see. Yeah, 75% all the way down. Look at that. No sky. Those planes aren't that much contrasty, and let's make it a little bit more pop. Yeah, multiply blend mode would be great. Let's go with that. And let's fix the color. We would like those planes to be a little bit more green. We choose blue, and let's just fill it up with the green that it will be corresponding with the green soldiers below. Okay, so let's pick up a color and paint some clouds on the left. We got our color, we created a new layer, we got our cloud brush. So let's just paint a couple of splashes and then we'll blur it out. Paint, paint, paint. Okay, I guess that would be enough. Maybe a little bit that here. Yeah, so now let's blur it up so it will be actually as a cloud. Let's fill around with the parameters. Look at that. It really works wonders. Okay, we'll click apply and there we go. Let's just pop that color up a little bit. With the vibrance a little bit more saturated than that on the right. Okay, I can see we are pretty much good, and guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Leave a like, sub, and see you tomorrow.